Best gaming chairs under $100 are budget-friendly seats designed to give you basic comfort and support for gaming without spending much. They usually include simple ergonomic features like padding, adjustable height, and a racing-style design, making them a decent option for casual gamers or beginners who want an affordable setup. Starting at number 1, Giantex Folding Floor Chair. The Giantex Folding Floor Chair with back support is a versatile and comfortable seating option designed for relaxation, gaming, meditation, or casual lounging. It features 14 adjustable positions, allowing users to easily switch between sitting, reclining, or lying flat for maximum comfort. The thick padded design provides soft support, making it suitable for extended use on floors in living rooms, bedrooms, or gaming spaces. Its foldable structure makes it easy to store or move, while the sturdy frame ensures stable support during use. Ideal for adults, this chair works well as a floor gaming chair, sleeper bed, or couch recliner alternative. With its simple black design and practical functionality, it's a great space-saving seating solution for everyday comfort. Number 2. OFM Gaming Chair. The OFM Gaming Chair is an ergonomic racing-style chair designed for comfort, support, and versatility during long gaming or work sessions. It features a 360-degree swivel base, adjustable height, and recline tilt control, allowing users to customize their seating position with ease. The chair includes integrated lumbar support and a headrest to help maintain proper posture and reduce strain. Its flip-up armrests add extra flexibility, making it convenient for different desk setups or saving space when needed. Built with a sturdy frame and supporting up to 275 kilograms, it offers reliable durability for everyday use. With its bold green design and comfortable cushioning, the OFM Gaming Chair is a practical choice for gaming, office work, or studying. Number 3. Furmax Gaming Chair. The Furmax Gaming Chair is a racing-style ergonomic office chair designed for comfort, support, and everyday use at a computer desk or gaming setup. It features an adjustable height mechanism, a 360-degree swivel base, and a smooth reclining function to help users find a comfortable sitting position. The chair is made with durable leather-like material and includes padded armrests along with built-in lumbar support to reduce back strain during long hours of sitting. Its sturdy frame provides stability, while the ergonomic design helps promote better posture for work, gaming, or studying. With its sleek black finish and comfortable cushioning, the Furmax Gaming Chair offers a practical and budget-friendly seating solution for home or office environments. Number 4. JUMMICO Gaming Chair. The JUMMICO Gaming Chair is an ergonomic racing-style office and gaming chair designed for comfort, support, and versatility during long hours of use. It features a high backrest with adjustable height, a 360-degree swivel base, and a smooth reclining function for personalized seating positions. The chair is upholstered in durable leather-like material and includes soft cushioning for added comfort. It also comes with flip-up armrests, making it easy to save space or switch between gaming and desk work. The built-in lumbar support helps promote better posture and reduce back strain during extended sessions. With its stylish blue design and sturdy build, the JUMMICO Gaming Chair is a practical choice for gaming setups, home offices, or study spaces. Number 5. Czlolo Gaming Chair. The Czlolo Gaming Chair is an ergonomic racing-style chair designed for comfort, support, and long gaming or work sessions. It features a high backrest with a wide and thick cushioned seat for enhanced comfort, along with adjustable height and a reclining function that ranges from 90 degrees to 135 degrees for flexible seating positions. The built-in footrest allows users to stretch and relax, while the lumbar support massager helps reduce back fatigue during extended use. Its sturdy design ensures stability, and the 360-degree swivel adds easy mobility around your workspace. Upholstered in a bold red finish, this chair combines style with functionality, making it suitable for gaming setups, home offices, or study areas where comfort and relaxation are important.